Bird-friendly gardening. This guide by garden writer Jen McGuinness explains how to design and plant a backyard garden space that both attracts and supports winged wildlife, from tiny hummingbirds and stunning woodpeckers to raucous crows and reclusive owls. Creating a bird-friendly garden is easier than you think. Leave some garden spaces a bit wild for insects, as insect-friendly gardening is hummingbird and bird-friendly gardening. Insects are an important food for baby birds. Think beyond traditional bird feeders and suet blocks, and focus on creating a haven for birds with nest boxes, bird baths, and a year-round supply of fresh water. While fresh water is important throughout the year, providing unfrozen clean water for birds to drink from in the winter will not only help your resident birds, but may attract others in the area. Birds need access to fresh water and will seek out these sources. The easiest way to add fresh water to your garden area is by including a bird bath in your garden design. Adding a water feature also increases your chances of attracting birds that normally do not visit bird feeders to the garden space. Many of the insectivorous birds, such as warblers, will spend most of their time in shrubs and trees. One way to entice them to your garden is by offering fresh water. There are several different types of bird baths available, and the safest ones for birds offer a shallow basin to bathe and drink from, no more than 2 inches in depth.